Hello, good morning, guys. So our Taekwondo ma'am is on her way to our office, so she'll come and then we'll start with Taekwondo practice. So let's see what others are doing.
Others are super sleepy. Yeah. So sleepy. I'm not hearing it clearly.
So right now the climate is too cozy for us.
Yeah. Everybody see. I don't know how Trix is surviving.
Yeah, how are you?
Wearing that jacket.
I'm not feeling cold.
I'm not
Yeah, it happens. It happens sometimes. Okay, guys, our Taekwondo ma'am is here. Oops. Loki. Okay, Loki is first.
He's waiting to jump out of the.
Yeah.
See again, newspaper is.
Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'll get the key.
Yeah.
Grace here setting up our camp because GoPro will be out of memory soon. So we have only one SD card. This is super excited, out of sleepiness now. I think it's time to start. We'll start again. Let's start.
5 and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotation. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, change. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotation. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse rotation. Go.
So today we have our ma'am here. She came back after lockdown.
Yes, and we are setting up our weights.
Weights.
Today is a strength conditioning, but to make it more intense, we're gonna use weights as well.
Weights as well.
Weight also there. Now
So
we're
let's
gonna
see how it
enjoy-
goes.
Yeah, yoga mats.
So no more online sessions, so it's offline now.
Jump to jumping ladders and back. Go. Come on, go. Stay here. 1, 2, and then let's go. Okay. And down. Go. Up, come on. Okay, next set. Go.
After very long time we are doing this, right?
Look at us, sweating all over.
And it's very
But it's nice, guys.
Yeah.
We are getting back to our old routine, old capacity and all, but it's really interesting.
Yeah, now onwards it will be so fun.
From now, the exact training is starting, so you guys will understand how much pain we'll go through, how much challenges and all in between.
Let's go do core workouts, guys. Let's go.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Start.
So guys, core workout is going on and it's super intense, so look at everyone.
If you're sleeping,
Very tired, bro. Very tired.
what
about you? Are you okay? You okay?
I'm feeling dizzy.
You doing meditation?
Dead. Dead inside and outside.
3, 2, 1, start.
So guys, we are asking review from our coach, like how was the stunt that we did.
I will teach you how to throwing also and
I'm waiting for that. Okay, how did we do it right?
yeah.
Really?
Okay, guys.
But we have to improve on that.
But seriously, you guys very talented. Like no one is teaching you, just watching and just
So guys, we didn't ask to her. We just did it. So we're asking what mistakes we did in that.
and your scissors you're doing right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well next Saturday we'll do. Okay.
So she's going to make us professional in stunt.
Next Saturday, guys. Wait.
So next Saturday, guys, wait for that.
Yeah. Wait. Next Saturday we'll come on. We'll rock.
That is amazing. Hey guys, so for a change, we are at the balcony and these people are doing their college works. I just closed my laptop. Let's see what they are doing. Hey, Trix.
Yes,
What are you doing?
I'm doing my FDI work.
Is it done?
Halfway done. I finished by mood board. Are you getting it?
I'm not getting it. Can you increase the brightness?
Lot of sunlight. Oops. This is the maximum.
Oh, you can see that.
So this is my
What is
mood
this?
board. Basically, my concept is named as Under the Surface, which means everyone has some hidden talents, hidden good things, not only the physical appearance. So I have included few black and white images and also colorful images, few block colors and also few flowy images to balance out the concept. I have completed all my boards. Now I am doing my illustration. 4 are almost done. 5th one is
Is that the blue one which you made last day?
yeah, but
Up
because
sleeves.
of no fabric, I made it in block color. Too much block colors. 5th one is on the way. That's why it's looking naked right now. I think it's going good. At least today I'll try to finish the final board and start with my DDs.
Maybe is drawing something.
I just started my illustrations. So the outline is done. Now I'm gonna color them. We should start with DDs, design developments, where we
Reverse engineering.
yeah, where we'll develop the garments from basic pocket design and all.
That is kind of easy, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, waiting for your final
yeah.
sketches, boards, everything.
I'll update once these sketches are done.
Moving on.
Hi guys.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm trying to connect to the mouse and it's not connecting. Anytime distraction. So I need to use Illustrator now. With mousepad, it's very difficult. So I'm
Really?
trying to connect. Yeah, it's not
You
happening.
need to get practice.
So I need to do flats for my presentation. Complete. Okay, guys. So today we came to balcony, different place. Actually, we never thought of like coming here and working. We generally work in office downstairs there only. Like we got habituated to that place. We never get this idea of coming here. Or if you're getting stuck to your study table, just get up, go somewhere else, sit in somewhere like a swing might be start working. You'll see a lot of difference.
Actually, refreshing.
Yeah. Try changing your place. Lit, what about you? How is the work?
My works are like almost done and tomorrow is my last jury.
Great. Last day. I didn't
Yeah.
see you work.
But before that, there is CEO's
Oh, I think I can explain.
magical
inspiration board.
Alice in Wonderland.
But actually, I can explain if it's completed.
Okay.
We'll get more clarity
Surprise.
about that.
The most interesting topic I think you have.
Yeah.
It's about
The topic is Todd syndrome. Nobody knows, I guess. Like here, one person have Todd syndrome in our team. That is drinks.
So guys, Zoe is sleeping while studying. So be quiet. And tickle her.
Ready? Yeah. So guys, here we are with another activity in garden. Here we see people sitting with brushes, some white paper,
Palettes, papers, coffee.
yes.
We're gonna make an artwork from coffee, and that too, it's not gonna be a random one. Yes. Actually, it's a random one.
It's gonna be a random one.
Eo will spill some random coffee on paper and we're gonna make it as an art form.
Yeah. Let's see how this
Eo
goes.
is ready to spill the coffee. Okay, we'll start then.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like the paper has
Splash. Whoa.
2 times. This is so interesting. Yes.
Uh-huh. Let's see how these guys will turn into an artwork. Eo is like waiting for the.
Yeah. Starter is me.
At last, Eo will be like, this is all because of my one stroke.
My one stroke.
Okay, already started detailing the stroke.
You are doing in one facial.
Finding the right brushes with us, guys. We have a lot of brushes.
Yes, we.
Yeah, I can see something.
A lot of things.
Okay, guys. So here we are presenting our artwork. We just completed painting. And yeah. So we just had 10 minutes and it's the on-spot topic that we got, and we were just painting with the brushes, with the strokes, and explored the artistic skills in us on spot.
Very nice painting.
And here is Eo, our examiner, who gave us the question, like who gave us the stroke.
Flash.
Yeah,
Can I see the
The
splash
stroke
here?
was around somewhere here.
Okay.
Actually, Lid blended it and made a tree. I kept it real as a nest, some bird nest.
Yeah, I
Okay.
cannot see. Like,
It
where
looks
is the
like an
splash?
abstract branch also.
It actually changed this area and all. It really blended well.
Yeah, actually, Lit was not here, guys. She was submitting her jury work, so she was not here. So I'm presenting this along with Eo.
Yes.
So initially we mixed, like we made a concentrated solution of coffee. And then I don't know, okay, these people are preparing and they are like, okay, you have to participate. I'm like, okay, let's do it. Something.
Yeah, we used this coffee
Yeah.
powder.
And then she
We
just
thought of
kept the
creating
stroke.
something creative, like why not coffee? And then we just started this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, coffee is a very good example which is available in every kitchen.
Okay.
I will say.
She practices the strokes also, I guess.
Oh.
This
Can
is
you just say
this is the only stock. I don't know the painting and all. I just did it with the abstract art kind of thing.
Abstract, minimal
I think I can
art.
show you.
It looked like a fox.
I don't
can
know.
derive a lot of
It's just
meanings
What
from
is
the
that? It's a
painting.
butterfly or?
yeah,
Some
it
kind
kind
of
of
insect.
butterfly, you know. Yeah, what I did is just I kept the
It actually looks like a
coffee
butterfly.
and I just
And then you
rotated every
rotated the-
area
and then
and
it
got
went
some
like
kind of
that.
butterfly or something.
Oh.
Actually, it feels like butterfly, no? See this?
I can see all wild animals, like everything in there. I can derive a lot of meanings.
This is the abstract art and this is the real art.
Okay, guys, so the stroke we blended into a forest. This is not the artistic, artist kind of painting, but we
Very
dwelled into
simple.
some theme in this painting. You can see a forest, and we tried creating depth in forest through changing the thickness concentration of coffee that we used.
I like the clouds. Like
Yeah.
it have different shades.
The shades
Darker
are like
shades.
the
Here for
monochromatic
clouds we
painting.
used little bit of coffee and more of water, so that
Yeah.
this will be, you know, more of lighter shades.
That's looking really good.
And we gave more strokes, gave more concentrated coffee on the trees, so that these are at the front and you can see lot of shades, shadows on the trees.
And these branches are really good. It's going.
Yeah.
I like
really
this.
nicely. Even the
tree.
color shades.
Okay, this tree was done by me.
That's really good.
Monochromatic.
Yeah.
Like
Even
the
the
darker
branches.
and lighter shades and everything is really good.
So, I'll also explain Lit's work here. So she blended the stroke here and made a thick bunch of leaves on the tree here, and then I thought of making a bird, and then ended up like a bird. Okay, there is a hidden
Yeah.
bird inside this.
Okay.
You can't see it. Okay, it's behind the. No, the bird
Something
is flying
inside.
behind the clouds, so you can't see the bird.
What? It looks like a peacock with open feathers
Yeah, might be. It's a peacock.
flying in the sky.
So, it's a dense forest. Yeah.
This two are really good. I like
Yeah.
this too more.
Yeah.
The trees and the clouds, and you can see we gave a thin like branch strokes here.
I like the splashes also.
Actually, you can work on our splash also. The splashes.
I felt like keeping it raw because she already blended. If I also blend it, then it
The
seems
balance
like a
will go.
normal painting. So I kept it like that, and
my
then I
artwork is
extended
on
the
like
branches here. And here for the tree, I added more coffee solution for giving the depth at the branches.
Nice. That was actually nice. Like two different
Yeah.
color shades and everything.
And since we have just 10 minutes, we couldn't do much of things, or else we could have covered the whole canvas with lot of trees, lot of birds.
I like the
animals.
idea, like clouds and forest.
Yeah.
I can imagine, like within half an hour, we would have done a really good job.
Yeah, within half an hour we could
Did
have
you
made
ever
much
thought
better
the painting will
painting.
come like this?
I
Did you
never
ever
thought. Bro, it was complete instant. Okay, you just gave a stroke and asked us to do some bullshit. So this is how two brains works. You know, when two brains are given one task to complete, and then we do, you know, it's a mirror work. You know, there are two trees here, there are
Yeah.
clouds, but in a different styles.
But you both did some very differently. Like
Okay,
it's
now
not
let's
like-
ask someone else, what do they think this painting is about? Like, will they
Who is
understand
that?
the hidden
story
details
or
and
not?
inside things.
Bro, Grey. Bro, this 1 minute.
Gray is coming.
Bro, come here.
Yeah. Let her ask.
Okay, Grey is here. Okay, we have a question for you. We actually, she's also working on something while we are doing this activity. So she's like, what are these guys doing with coffee? So this is the result what we have got.
So what do you want me to do? Tear it or?
Reviews your
What is this? What do you
Hard
think
work.
the story is behind this painting? Like, what is the deep inner meaning? What do
Okay.
you think it
There is
is?
a lot of, you know, hard work, lot of thought process gone behind this painting.
Just within
Okay.
10 minutes. Only 10
So
minutes. You guys
what
got.
I can see is there is two trees,
Uh-huh.
and I think they are like maybe they together. Is it? You guys have a story? Or
Yeah, we
am
have
I
a
just
strong
making-
story behind the painting.
So I think they are like together or merging or something. And this tree is having more leaves, and this tree is having no leaves.
Oh,
And
bro. Correct, right? No,
Is it?
that's what you
Okay.
thought and drew, right?
and don't know, this tree looks very old. Maybe this is young, something like that.
know that old and
Good observation, yeah.
tree. How?
And even the clouds are different in two places. It's like maybe
Two different
even
worlds.
this clouds are very healthy. That clouds look like some rainy clouds or something. So it is some complete like a
Intersection.
young and old kind of a feel. I don't know.
Oh.
It's
Two
what
different
is actually.
world.
You know
Yeah,
what? This
you
sounds
like,
more better than.
You're speaking on the same lines. Like we thought
Yes,
of making
story.
this forest. And, yeah.
It came out.
Actually, I like the Grace brief way better.
Is it?
We would have changed the brief of the story.
The brief is on the same lines. She just explained, you know, how things are in more depth. Yeah, like this is an old tree. Even this looks like a young
see?
fresh tree.
I saw this one, okay. On the way I saw, so I would explain this also. I would like to explain this also.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can-
come
So
on.
I think EO was the stroke person, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I did this hard work.
abstract art.
So let's see how we can manipulate this into a very great Picasso one.
Abstract
Picasso.
Provide it. This box.
Okay. So I think there is. Okay, let me see. There is a lot of meanings hidden, maybe. Generally, people see it as animals, but we can also see it as a lot of
Aliens.
Yeah.
I like that one. Bro, it's aliens only. See, there is some long neck and there is this big eyes.
Shit, it's the
Some kind of an alien.
Bro.
And there is this weird nose and eyeballs. And a big head, maybe. That you don't want to show full.
See, my artwork
Some
changed
secret
like
message
this. I
from
never
aliens.
expected this from you guys.
For me, it reminds of that sign language from the Arrival movie. Aliens
it's a
language.
secret message.
Man, look at that. It's
Yeah.
a secret message.
You, the best creative work ever.
Aliens have somehow driven her to do
Thank you
this.
so much for this.
What is your inspiration behind this actually? Is it aliens?
Inspiration.
Abstract
Splash, 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 splash.
And just
Inspiration.
abstract art, I will say. I just took
Actually,
some
the
straws
inspiration
and
came
something.
out through in the air. Like when the splash is in the air, the inspiration has popped inside the
Oof,
splash.
oof, oof,
It's
oof.
weird. It's vague. Okay.
Gray is like,
Okay.
How did we do this? But somehow this
Okay,
painting
guys.
can also be used.
this is fun, this is easy.
Guys, so what this means is everything is an art.
Yeah.
You can
Whatever
create
we do.
stories out of anything. So guys,
Exactly.
you guys can do this at home and create your own stories and make these things more
Challenge your
interesting.
friends, challenge your siblings,
Yeah.
challenge your brothers. Just do a splash and ask them to make it an artwork. Don't tell
Very
them.
interesting. Very interesting.
So guys, do it at your home with your siblings and see how two brains work together.
Yeah.
And you will be able to get something like two different concepts in two sides of the paper.
This is some
So it'll
bullshit.
be it will be very interesting
Yeah.
to see.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, there is nothing like art, you don't know how to draw and all those things. Anybody can draw, anybody can be an artist because everyone is creative. So guys,
Just take
try
a
this at
paintbrush
home.
and do it. You will get it.
Just a coffee. And is that black coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, brown coffee. I mean,
That's a bad joke, but I like it.
yeah, we boiled coffee in water for a longer time to get the decoction and the color.
The best thing is
You guys real?
Yes, we did it.
Okay.
For extra coffee, we
Ah.
less coffee.
Okay, she
so
was
we
thinking
did that.
something.
there'll be a lot of shades with coffee. Like it's almost near to watercolor.
Yeah,
Like
just
you can
like,
experiment
just
with
like
lot
a
of
brown
tastes.
color, we can derive a lot of shades.
Yeah, you can try monochromatic
saturations.
paintings, whatever.
Okay, guys, we're going out of topic now.
Explore yourself.
Stop.
Okay, so guys, Lit is anyways not there. So how did you feel about
Our
this
artwork.
activity? Our artwork.
Yeah.
Please write down in the comment
Comment
box
section.
below. Please do try and let us know how that activity went on and who did you trick. Did you really do it? And like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to click on
And
the
don't
bell
forget
icon.
to click the
Click the
bell
bell
icon.
icon.
Guys, see you in the next episode. Bye.
Good night.
Bye.